My name is Martin Svy, and I fly the Gulfstream G650 for Procter & Gamble. The G650 has a very high swept wing, as well as the Marchetti jet. And to be able to see how a swept wing jet handles a upset recovery in the actual airplane, you can take what you've learned there and apply that to what you're currently flying. I did have a sim on my last day, and that was a way to tie in everything from flight number 1 to flight number 4, and being able to transition that right into a simulator that is more in tune to your airplane. The safety management process should be central to every flight department. That should be the ethos of every operation. And you can take UPRT and add that to your safety management system, as it's another tool to be able to use for structure. I think this training is absolutely invaluable, from somebody from private pilot all the way up to a fighter pilot, all the way to an A380 captain. There's real world situations that we're faced with every day, and they are taught right here in an actual airplane, and you can take that moving forward.